Hello and welcome to day 87 of Bedtime Welsh. Sorry for missing a few days. We are very apologetic and disorganised. But here we are, 87, and it's not as tough as 86. So we're going to introduce a new word for you today, which is going to be a very helpful one because it's one you've already been doing a lot of. The Welsh for to learn is dysgu. So that's a D sound there. Dysgu. Dysgu is to learn. So give me to learn.
Dysgu.
Dysgu. Now, can you remember how to say more? To learn more.
Dysgu mwy.
Dysgu mwy. Okay, how about how to learn? Can you remember how? How to learn.
Sut I ddysgu.
Sut I ddysgu. And did you hear dysgu turning into ddysgu there with the E? I ddysgu. Don't worry about that. If you remember it, great. If you don't, no problem. So how about how to learn more?
Sut I ddysgu mwy.
Sut I ddysgu mwy. Great. Now how about to understand how to learn?
Deall sut I ddysgu.
Deall sut I ddysgu. And last one for today, to understand how to learn more.
Deall sut I ddysgu mwy.
Deall sut I ddysgu mwy, which you obviously already do, having got this far with us. We'll try and remember again tomorrow. Until then, hwyl am y tro.